I have 5 products here, right, for a combined cost of under $300 combined that are going to make your pool experience so much easier and less maintenance. And at the end, I also have a bonus product. That's my favorite product that I've been using for years that I also want to show you. So number 1 is this here. This is the Blue Mano. This is so cool. I love it because it's a nice chlorinator. It's a nice build, nice solid plastic, right? But my favorite thing is when the chlorine gets low, boom, a red indicator pops up to let you know it's time to add more chlorine. Super easy. You're gonna know when you need chlorine instead of having to check every day. This next product is, out of all products, it's gonna require a little bit of work, but I like it for several reasons, right? This is an Amazon Choice bristle brush for the pool, right? It's made by a company, let me see, Sepitrel. The link is in the description for this product and all of them. The reason I like this is it's under $17 for the brush, right? Has these rounded edges, right? So it won't snag or catch anything in the pool. If you want to spend $40, you can get this pole that's extendable up to 10 feet, I believe, about 10 feet. But if you just want the brush alone, you're going to spend about 17 bucks. It's a great brush, and it's for cleaning the sides of your pool. So even though I'm going to show you a lot of products that make your pool a lot easier to maintain every once in a while, for a price point of under $300 with all this stuff combined, you're still probably going to have to get in there and clean the sides. But with all the other cleaning things, you're not going to need to clean the sides too often because your pool is going to stay cleaner, guys. This thing here, the next one, is what I love, and I can't wait to install it. I'm so excited about it. This is an actual pool skimmer by Hayward. Hayward makes some of the best pool products out there. This product is pretty simple too. You just basically, you put this gasket in between this and this other plastic piece, then you can kind of cut your hole, and it's really quite easy, guys. So the water level will be around here somewhere in the middle, and this basket here will draw the water in. It'll collect anything that you don't want in the pool, like leaves and insects and anything else that falls in there. And when you jump in your pool, the top layer will always be clean. And if you have an Intex or a Coleman, you know that is the worst part about maintaining our pool. So the bottom of your pool does get dirty sometimes, but I'll tell you what, everything starts at the top, and that will eliminate a lot of it. But if you still do need to find yourself skimming once in a while, which, you know, every pool you have to do, this is the coolest net I've ever seen, and I'm going to tell you why right now. This is the Tidy Master, right? It's available on Amazon, and like I said, all the links are below in the description. This net is super cool for several reasons. First of all, under this plastic lip is all aluminum, so it's super, super rugged and strong, right? Then let's talk about the plastic lip. The plastic lip actually has a shape that will kind of skim along the bottom of the pool. If you have to pick anything large up that fell in there, it's like a lip that'll just kind of skim perfectly along the bottom, not damage, and it'll catch the bottom of the pool really well. And the coolest feature that I've never heard of is this part. The actual mesh on this, right, is billed as a self-repairing mesh. So if it gets any little holes in it, like these always tend to do, not slices or big rips, but little holes, which is what mine always get, little holes. Somehow they say you need it together. Check the Amazon link for this, they explain it, and it kind of just meshes back together somehow. I can't wait to try that. I almost wanted to get a hole so I can see if it works, because that is the coolest thing I've ever heard. A self-repairing pool net, right? Super cool. And it comes with the, I think it's a 10-foot pole, and it's about, what this is about $45, $46, right? And the next product is the cool one, guys. This is the cool one, right? For the price point, we're talking here, this big guy here. This is the Winnie 200. This is the coolest robot I've ever seen. Has great reviews on Amazon, and right now it's available, right? For about $100. It's a $20 coupon. This is where it catches everything. This is the filter underneath, right? Nice big catch area. This is actually the guts of everything here. So you just drop this thing in the pool. There's instructions, and it'll do an hour of cleaning up to 538 square feet, which is huge. That's bigger than any of these Intex pools that I know of. I mean, this will clean any size Intex upright, you know, above ground pool. And this is cool. So I like this a lot. It's not going to do walls, but for the price point of $100, I mean, come on. You can't beat that. And guys, this is the bonus product. Last but not least, this is my favorite product of all time. This is the Solar Pool Ionizer. You can see mine's pretty beat up and old. I've had this for about, going on 3 seasons now, guys. This thing is so cool. What it has on the top here, I'm going to open it real quick, guys, to show you what's inside, right? What it has on the top, though, is a solar panel. This solar panel collects sunlight, right? This solar panel here collects sunlight. It transfers it into this old piece of copper. This piece of copper used to be a nice big piece of copper that's slowly like eroding away. And between that and this steel spring, right, it creates an ionization in your pool water. And what this does, and I can testify to this 100%, it'll reduce your chlorine usage, which is super expensive, chlorine, by probably 75%. I am not joking with you guys. You can forget to put chlorine in your pool or forget to shock it a couple times. This thing will keep the water looking perfect. I don't know how it does it. I mean, I don't know how it can do it for the price point of under $100 for this. It's incredible, guys. I love this product. I love all these products. And each one of these products is going to help me to have a more maintenance-free pool that I can enjoy with my family and not have to worry about coming home and just doing all this work all the time. I hope this video helps you. I hope these products help you. And thanks for watching so much.